You see, she got big goals, and I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna come fast like a low. If I'm a woman, I'm gonna get together and build a foundation that's real. And every day I make it try to push it with ASAP.
I know it's completely irrelevant to this build. It doesn't matter at all what I say about this, but again, the shop, crazy busy. We got bombarded with orders, and at the same time, I had to put that new power box in because I ran out of room on my original fuse panel. We had to add another one. In order to do that, I had to pull a shelf out of the way that had a whole bunch of stuff on it. Well, that turned into the whole back row getting done, redone with all brand new pallet racks from Rackman here in Sacramento. And as you can see, I got this pallet right here, and there's another one right on over there. 2 pallets of these Home Depot Husky shelves. These are like 180 bucks. They're nice, but they're not as nice as those ones back there. That was a crazy couple weeks of pulling this whole place apart, taking stuff off those shelves, putting new shelves up, cleaning everything up and getting it all palletized. Not 100% sure what I'm doing with those yet, but I do have an idea. But one thing I do need to get back on is this Escalade. So today, I'm gonna sound in the back a little bit, and I'm gonna put the box in and take a test listen, and we'll call that a little bit of progress. Balancing this shop with my fun stuff is getting harder and harder every day. But that's what I asked for, right? Who buys all this equipment and doesn't ask for that? We're all ready to go. So this is just the beginning of some of the sound deadening I'm doing in this truck. There's gonna be a lot more going in the doors and other places more towards the front. But since I know once this big humongous box goes in here, it ain't coming back out for a while, I wanna make sure I get that pan and make sure that it's all nice and deadened out. I'll do a little bit on the side too as well, the spots that I'm not gonna be able to get to for a long time unless I pull the box back out, and I don't really plan on it. So carpet, a little bit of plastic, some second skin damp pro, and then it'll be time to put the box back in there. As soon as I do that, it'll be time to play it. I'll finally get to hear it. God, it's a brutal sound, always. Every single clip is still in here, though. Glad to see they improved that, I guess, since the 2001 Tahoe. But I'm not an installer every day, so I don't know if they really did improve them or if I got lucky. But they're all still there.
Turbo. We've got Aaron Lewis taking over tomorrow.
Pretty solid compared to what it was. With all the second skin done, this thing's ready to drop. Got some loose wires still, of course. They're going to be nice once they're in there. This is what we're looking at right now. Lots of fun. Amp rack is in, second skin is in. All we have left is the box. If I want to hear this thing playing today, I'm gonna have to slap it in. There we go. Oh yeah, we're almost there. So I did almost all this stuff by myself without the forklift. Now I need a little bit of help. Just for that last couple inches to get it in. It's hung up on something. So that's what we're gonna do. Like this the whole time. It's in there. All right, it's all working. Let's take a look at it.
In the same
as you can see, it's not too obtrusive. It's just right there at the hatch line, which isn't super bad. Maybe about a little bit taller than the hatch, but not much. I got all the trim work to do, which I've already cut it. I sort of already got an idea how I'm gonna make it look real good, but I don't really hate it just the way it looks sitting in here right now. So let's ignore some of these wires for right now. This is my optical cable. It's sending signal to the audio control, DM810. That's gonna be tucked away real nice here soon. This little temporary wire right here for the step down box to keep it cool. That's about ready to get wired in. Number one priority was making this all fit and get it working. Now we can start cleaning some wires up. Could use a little bit of soap and water on them handprints too. We got more work to do, but that's okay. We're on the right path. Yeah.
She just fall for the phone when I'm talking to my money phone. I was telling you wrong. You want me to sit at the top and they're not well. You fuck off in the crib with the blonde bombshell, whipping like a kingpin. With the EP. Shit, I'm thinking makes sense when I sink in. I'm just staying dead. Rain pants, bad shit. What you think, spin in the station.
It's slopping, it sounds good. I got a lot of rattle on this hatch. You know I'm gonna have to come in with some more second skin and really get in there and reinforce it. But as far as everything else is concerned, it's all working. And for now, I'm out of here. Excited about this. Let's go.
She want the dopest of the dopest. That's why she on my line. But I've been dope for a while, so I see this all the time. Roll a wood or a Dutch, all depending on my dime. Always keep a thumper close, cause them suckers on they grind. They see mine, I'm a diamond, they like glitter, how they shine. They want mine, cause that glitter fade with time. Take my spot, you out your mind. Shoot that shot while you got your time. Sucker ducking in